Bada boom boom boom, let me hear you say well. If you didn't say it, I'm disappointed. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all well today. First off, if you guys are going to wonder about the shirt, if I'm going to get a few questions, it's a secret. I'm joking, it's a pretty little thing. Today we're doing a haul by this brand right here. So we have a massive MAC haul. Please bear in mind, I have been off YouTube for a little while, so this has been collected for quite a little while. And also I've started doing freelance. So if you guys are interested in booking in with me, then just message me on Instagram or like Twitter or something. I don't know, anything you guys want. So a few of it is like bits for like my freelance kit and whatnot, but then obviously, you know, I had to treat myself. So there's some bits in there for me too. So if you guys are interested in seeing what I've been buying from MAC, then please keep watching. The first things first is some MAC, well, I'm not going to say MAC for everything because it's all MAC. It's some Gently Off wipes and micellar water. I don't use wipes on myself, but for my kit, defo, you never know when you're going to need a wipe, like to clean up any fallout or just like refresh the face. You never know. That's a kit product, and so is the original MAC Fix Plus. They do come in coconut rose and lavender. They also come in Fix Plus matte. They also come in Fix Plus gold light and pink light if you guys are interested. But I got the original. Again, that's my kit because I don't use that one on myself. I got a couple of pumps as well. I'm trying to do like the boring stuff first. I got a couple of pumps as well for foundations, obviously. This isn't boring. I actually really like this product. This is for myself. This is the Mineralize, Reset and Revive Charcoal Matte. I didn't know it was Mineralize. I didn't know it was that range. Oh, how cool. It looks like that. It is a face mask. I've used this a few times because I've taken them home in sample pots. And I really like this. I've struggled to find a face mask that is like brutal, like it's actually going to clear the skin as opposed to like, you know, brighten the skin or anything like that. Like I've struggled to find one that's going to tackle spots, and that does. Like I like that a lot, so I got that one for myself. And then I got a couple of Studio Fixes. These are new shades we've launched. I don't even know how many shades it is in total, but it's a lot of new shades. So I've got NC27 and NC38. NC38 is the perfect fake tan shade. I have matched so many people to this because it is literally just amazing for fake tan. And NC27 is a really nice no fake tan shade as well. Like those two are like cults at the moment. I love those. And those are what the pumps are for as well. I got a couple of brushes for myself. I got two 252s. I'm going to pop one in my brush belt and then one to use at home as well. It's just like a large shader brush is what they call it, but most people use it as like bases for the eye. And then I got a little baby, looks like this. So small, so tiny. He is a 231 and I'm going to use him for like inner corner highlight and like any pigments or things like that as well. Okay, I don't know what's boring anymore, so I'm just gonna pick random crap up. Got some Mineralize powders. I'm pretty sure I got 4, or did I get 5? I got 4 Mineralize powders. I got Medium Plus, Give Me Sun, which I use all the time, Dark and Medium Tan. Medium Plus I'm going to use for my under eyes, that one's for myself, and Give Me Sun is just to back up my bronzer because I've nearly run out of it. Like I feel like I never run out of like Give Me Sun. I think this is my first time repurchasing actually, so I'm happy that it might be my second though. It's either my first or my second, but I've been on that hype for a few years now. These are new. These are the iridescent powders. They are limited edition, but I know that we still have stock of it, so you can still get them. I got the shade Silver Dusk, which I will... Oh my god, is it open? Have I used it already? Which is that. Iridescent powders are just like a loose highlighting powder. So that's the shade Silver Dusk. And then the other one is the shade Golden Bronze. This is very dark. I wouldn't be able to get away with this. It's like a cheek highlight because it's quite dark. But on the body... Now we're talking. That's it there. Can you see? Like I couldn't get away with that on top of my cheekbones, but on dark skin on the cheekbones, amazing. Or on the white girl on her body. Nice. I then picked up one of the Hyper Real foundations. I was meant to get all 3, but I can't remember what happened. So I only managed to get the bronze. I am planning to get the others as well, to be fair. So it's just called Bronze FX. It's a liquid highlighter. It's called the Hyper Real foundation. It's not a foundation though, so just be aware. It's that third one. Can you guys see how my whole hand is glowy as hell? Picked up some of the new concealers. These are the Studio Fix concealers. I have NC25, which I'll swatch. The 20 was like, is straight up yellow, like yellow. I got NC30, so 25, 30. These do dry very matte. Just give them a couple of seconds to dry down and it's just straight matte. You don't need to set them. And then I got the shade NW32. That's kind of like a skin one. So you've got 25, 30, and then NW32 there. That's going to be like my skin one, and then just go on with one of those just to brighten it up. Because I have got into the habit lately of not going very bright on my under eye. I kind of just go for the same skin tone that I am, and then just brighten it up with like light boost or just my powder or something. So that's that. I got 2 tubs of, well, not tubs, 2 bottles. No, it's not a bottle, what is it? A tube. 2 tubes of clear lip gloss. It's my favourite thing in the entire world. I love it. I got the essential oils. This is like the actual oil. Like there's a stick that I love, but then this is like the actual oil to mix in with those iridescent powders and pop it on the skin for my holiday. I'm about to be glowy. Okay. I picked up 2 products that I've never really known about because we don't have them in my store, and I've always been kind of like, meh, I don't know about it. It's the lip mixes. I got 2 shades. I got Deep Tone Nude. I mainly got them to mix together because together they're really, really nice. So I got Deep Tone Nude, which is that one. And then this one's called Mid-Toned Nude. It's like that one there. It's a bit beige-ish. But then if you mix them, magical things happen. I then got a couple of brow products, just like brow liners. I got the shades Lingering and Spiked, just to fill in my brows because I kind of toss between a few shades. I got False Lashes Waterproof, which is a mascara. I got that for my kit. Waterproof mascara is the most important mascara to have, like, yeah. False Lash Maximizer, which I'm going to tell you guys a little secret. It's what I use on my brows, but we'll have a brow tutorial up soon, don't worry. I might try and put it up before this actually, so it's not like I'm ruining a secret or a surprise. And then I got a backup of my Upward Lash Mascara, which is the ones that I use on my top, and then my Extended Play, which are the ones I use on my bottom. I love those 2 together, my favourite, and I'm running out of both of them as well. Got the Brush Stroke Liner in the shade Brush Brown, mainly for my little freckle that I do. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see it. Do one right at the corner of my eye because I've got one that's really big and intense there, but also for my brows. It's just there, it's just like a little brown liner basically, and you can use this as like a liquid liner on the line if you just want it brown as well. I managed to get the Jamie Genevieve lipstick and the Patricia Bright lipstick. I got both, showing my support there. The Patricia one is actually very stunning. Like, we don't do a lipstick like this at all. It is very much just a beautiful, beautiful brown, like nothing like it whatsoever. The Jamie one I have on now, and I'm sure you guys have seen it, but I'll swatch it anyway. Don't want anyone to feel left out. That is the Jamie one. It's so light you can't really see it, lol. But yeah, it's a very light nude. And I'm also wearing Cork lip liner, which is what I got for the Jamie Genevieve lip. And it's what I'm wearing now, but I reckon, yeah, I could wear it for Patricia as well. I've kind of swatched it in between. And then the last few bits are my favourite kind of things, the glitters. So I got 2 glitters, one in iridescent hot pink, because I mean, who doesn't want a glitter called iridescent hot pink? And it looks like that. It looks so gorgeous. I'm obsessed. I can't wait to use that. And then the other one I got is iridescent lavender. Again, very excited to use that. He looks more fun. Like, do you guys see how freaking stunning he looks? Imagine him on nails. I would die. I would die. And then the last 3 are like Dazzle Shadow Liquids. So these are they permanent? I can't remember. Yeah, I think they are permanent actually. This is the shade Diamond Crumbles. They're basically just like liquid eyeshadows, and they are gorgeous. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see that one because it's a very like, I use this one as a topper, like I don't usually use it by itself. But that one with that lavender holographic or even the hot pink one, like, it'll be insane. I got the shade Beam Time, which is more of like a goldy. These will be nice. I'm like going out makeup and like bridal makeup. And that's it there. And then the last one I got is Not Afraid to Sparkle. A bit, which looks like that. I basically got all the ones that Liverpool had left. We actually have more than these, but, and it's that one up there. So I feel like this one's got like multicolored glitters in, which I like. I feel like the Dazzle liquids, like some of them are like metallic and some of them are like glittery. So yeah, just in case you guys are curious. But that is it. That wraps up my MAC haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I know there was a lot. Like I said, some of it's for freelance. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, the majority of it is actually for me though. But at least there is some freelance stuff in there. And like I said, if you guys wanted to book in with me, just like message me on Instagram or something. My Instagram is always down below, but I'll leave it here as well for you. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. If you did, then please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. And until next time, I will see you guys very, very soon. Bye.